Some news just coming in. Arvind Kejriwal attending Vipassana for 10 days in Hoshiarpur in Punjab. Former Delhi Chief Minister and AAP convener Arvind Kejriwal reached Hoshiarpur on Tuesday evening for a 10-day Vipassana accompanied by wife. Arvind Kejriwal arrived here by road from Chandigarh is what we are learning. Hoshiarpur MLA Brahm Shankar welcomed him. Tight security arrangements have been made around the guest house and the Vipassana Centre. It's for the second time that Arvind Kejriwal has come to this centre for the course. Earlier, he arrived here on the 20th of December 2023, a day ahead of his appearance before the ED in the Delhi excise policy case.
अरविंद केजरीवाल जी कल विपासना के लिए होशियारपुर गए, लेकिन नज़ारा देखने वाला था। 50 से ज़्यादा बड़ा गाड़ियों का काफिला था। 2-2 करोड़ रुपए की लैंड क्रूजरें थी बीच में। 100 से ज़्यादा पुलिस कमांडो साथ चल रहे थे। एम्बुलेंस चल रही थी, फायर ब्रिगेड की गाड़ियाँ चल रही थी और ये शांति लेने गए थे। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी वो मसीहा बनकर निकले थे जो वैगनार में घूमते थे और जैसे ही सत्ता मिली अपना असली रंग दिखाया। अब विपासना के लिए भी उनको 100 कमांडो चाहिए, 50 गाड़ियों का काफिला चाहिए। इससे कम में उनकी विपासना भी नहीं होती।
I'm going to go straight across to Kamal for more details on that story. In fact, Kamal, this is something that is personal to the Chief Minister, to the former Chief Minister of Delhi. But the fact is that the BJP government in the national capital is going after Arvind Kejriwal for what they call a display of wealth, a display of extravagance, isn't it?
BJP is going all guns blazing against AAP Supremo Arvind Kejriwal, especially at a time where his chips are down. He's lost the Delhi elections, but he's on a 10-day Vipassana in Hoshiarpur, Anandgarh. That's where he's there in a meditation center. But as you mentioned it, he's been there earlier in December 2023 as well. And this is where he's taken pot shots, especially talking about the VVIP culture, talking about how there seems to be different voices, because obviously the Aam Aadmi Party stands for a common man. But here it is, the VIP culture at full display, not just with the Land Cruiser, but also with the posse of policemen, as well as a huge convoy of cars, including the Land Cruiser. So this is obviously where the BJP wants to take a higher moral ground. One, because in Delhi, they have shied away from taking Sheesh Mahal. They have cornered the Aam Aadmi Party government, especially in Delhi earlier. Now they're trying to do the same, because remember, as far as the ripple effect of Delhi poll debacle is concerned, it's also Punjab. Now, there are obviously a whole lot of issues in Punjab itself, but one of them is obviously about how the facilities, whether it's a chopper, whether it is about granting the policemen, or whether it is about providing privilege to Arvind Kejriwal, who per se is an outsider in Punjab. But as far as politicians are concerned, this is perhaps a normal protocol. Obviously, the Aam Aadmi Party sources saying this is creating a mountain out of a molehill. But at this point of time, BJP all set to corner Aam Aadmi Party for what they call is the VVIP culture.
That's right. Kamal, I'm going to thank you for the moment. VVIP culture is what the BJP is talking about. And what is on display? Well, the AAP says it's normal. 23 cars in the convoy of Arvind Kejriwal. AAP says this is the protocol. But the BJP says that, especially coming from the Aam Aadmi Party, this is doublespeak, this is hypocrisy, is what the BJP is now saying, because there are 23 vehicles in the convoy of the former Delhi Chief Minister, not even the sitting Chief Minister. Tight security in Hoshiarpur, inconvenience being caused as well. But the BJP says that this is a display of extravagance and also of wealth. It's an ugly display, is what the BJP has said. Going after the former Delhi Chief Minister, saying that everyone is welcome to, in fact, have a Vipassana session. He's come here before as well in the month of December 2023. However, the BJP says, why use the state's resources in this fashion? Listening to Delhi Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa.
अरविंद केजरीवाल जी कल विपासना के लिए होशियारपुर गए, लेकिन नज़ारा देखने वाला था। 50 से ज़्यादा बड़ा गाड़ियों का काफिला था। 2-2 करोड़ रुपए की लैंड क्रूजरें थी बीच में। 100 से ज़्यादा पुलिस कमांडो साथ चल रहे थे। एम्बुलेंस चल रही थी, फायर ब्रिगेड की गाड़ियाँ चल रही थी और ये शांति लेने गए थे। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी वो मसीहा बनकर निकले थे जो वैगनार में घूमते थे और जैसे ही सत्ता मिली अपना असली रंग दिखाया। अब विपासना के लिए भी उनको 100 कमांडो चाहिए, 50 गाड़ियों का काफिला चाहिए। इससे कम में उनकी विपासना भी नहीं होती।